Hello students, today let us understand about windows. Children, who takes care of jobs at your home? Yes, you have guessed right. Your parents look after all the household works in such a manner that you do not have to worry about them. It is because they run the house with a system. Suppose your parents are away and you have to manage the house. You will surely find it difficult to manage the daily course of a house and will find yourself in a mess. In the same way, a computer has a special set of programs which manages all the jobs of a computer and makes it run. This is known as operating system. Windows is an operating system. Without it, we cannot even start a computer and work on it. Now tell me, children, when we use the word window, which image comes to your mind? Yes, it is the glass window through which we can peep outside and can have various views. Likewise, in computers, Windows is a rectangular frame that shows different programs on the screen. Who is he? He is William Bill H. Gates, founder of Microsoft Corporation, the world's leading software company. Features of Windows 7. Windows is attractive. It has colorful pictures and themes. It is easy to use and operate. It has an improved search tool. It allows users to work on many programs at the same time. When we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled pictures on it is called desktop. Let us have a quick quiz. Windows 8 is the latest version of Windows. Now let us understand icon. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. These icons are used to open specific programs or documents. Let us understand the concept of icons and desktop with the help of a given example. When you go to the kitchen and open a cupboard, you find various labeled boxes containing different items. This cupboard works like windows and the labeled boxes work like icons. Okay, children, we shall discuss about window taskbar. The taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. It is divided into the following sections. Now let us talk about the Start button. The Start button is present at the bottom left of the taskbar. When you click on the Start button, the list of options appears. This list is called Start menu. You can use Start button to perform common tasks, such as starting a program, using help and support, searching files and folders, shutting down the computer, and much more. Students, let us learn a few things. Start menu can also be opened by pressing Windows button on the keyboard. Middle section. The middle section of the bar shows the open programs as buttons. This area of the taskbar is called Quick Launch Bar, where you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word program, Windows Media Player, etc. They can be opened with a single click. When a program is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. Notification area. The right side of the taskbar is known as Notification Area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that tell the status and notifications about the programs running on a computer. For example, software updates, network connectivity, battery, volume, etc. The Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. Click this button to minimize all the open program windows and view the desktop. Moving the taskbar. The taskbar can be moved to any of the 4 sides of the desktop. To move the taskbar, take the following steps. Place the pointer on the blank area to the taskbar. Press and hold the left mouse button and drag the taskbar to any side of the desktop. Now release the mouse button. Locking the taskbar. You can lock the taskbar. That means it will not move to any place until you unlock it. Right-click on the blank area of the taskbar. Click on the Lock the Taskbar option in the shortcut menu. You will notice that the taskbar will not move from its location. Time for the fact file. When a computer is switched on, Windows take a few seconds to load an operating system. This process of loading the OS is called boot. We shall learn about the selecting and deselecting the icon. Selecting an icon. To select any icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted. Deselecting an icon. To deselect the icon, click away from the icon. The icon will be now displayed in its original form. Alright, let us talk about selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent items. Left-click on the first item to be selected. Then hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Now let me tell you about selecting non-adjacent items. Hold down the Control key and click once on each of the items to be selected. This way you can select the non-adjacent item. Alright, let us talk about selecting adjacent and non-adjacent items. Selecting adjacent. Students, let us understand the steps of opening a program. Click on the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open, or double-click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Let us have a quick view. Press Window key plus D key combination to minimize all open windows. Let us learn how to arrange the desktop icons. As you arrange your study desk to make it tidy. Similarly, you can arrange the icons on the desktop to give it a better look. Right-click on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of options. Select the View option. Click on the Auto Arrange Icons option from the sub-menu. Observe the changes. Now we shall learn about sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop items means arranging them in a proper order. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click on the Name sub-option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Let us talk about the steps of changing the desktop background. You enjoy working with Windows as it is user-friendly. You can change the appearance of the desktop background according to your choice. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. You will find the list of options. This is called Shortcut menu. Select the Personalize option. The Personalization dialog box will appear. Click on Desktop Background. The Choose Your Desktop Background window with multiple images will appear. Select either one picture for desktop background or select more than one picture to create a slideshow. A preview of the selected background will appear on the monitor. After selecting the background, click on Save Changes button and close the dialog box. Now let us understand how to change the screensaver. The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Follow the given steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click on Personalize option from the shortcut menu. The Personalization dialog box will appear. Click on the Screensaver option. The Screensaver Settings dialog box will appear. Click on the drop-down arrow in Screensaver section and select Screensaver of your choice. A mini preview of the screensaver will be displayed in the preview box. To watch the preview on full screen, click on the preview button. Wait for a few seconds and you will get the preview on the full screen of the selected screensaver. Move the mouse to come back to the screensaver window. Set the time in Wait box as per your need. Use up arrow to increase the time and down arrow to decrease. Click OK. Students, let me tell you about mouse pointer shapes. The shape of the mouse pointer changes according to the actions we perform. Busy. It means that computer is busy and wants you to wait. Normal. For pointing, selecting and dragging the items on the screen. Double-headed arrow. For resizing the window or pictures. Four-headed arrow for moving pictures and toolbars. I-beam for inserting text in a document. Working in background. It means that computer is processing while you are working. Alright, let me tell you the steps to shut down your computer. Shutting down means turning off a computer. To shut down your system, follow the given steps. Click on the Start button. Now select Shut Down button. The system will take a few seconds to shut down. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Windows is an operating system that controls and manages the functions of a computer. The labeled pictures on the desktop are known as icons. The Start button is used to perform common tasks such as starting a program, using help and support, searching files and folders, and much more. Notification area is present on the right side of the taskbar and includes a clock and group of icons. Double-clicking the left mouse button on the icon opens the selected item. Screensaver is an image which pops up on the screen whenever a computer remains idle for a short time.